Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix media player server execution failed. So let's start. So for that, first right click on Start menu, open Task Manager, and now search media player over here. Right click on media player and click on Disable. Now close the Task Manager. Click on Start menu and search command prompt or CMD. Now open it, run as administrator. Once open, you please run these two commands. I will paste it in the video description, you can copy paste it. One by one we will run this command. Once done, this issue will fix. You can reboot the machine also. Thanks for watching.